Growing silage grass for cows is an important part of Finnish food production. The grass is harvested 2 to 4 times every season, and the grass swards are fertilized every harvest when aiming at maximum yield. Reliable data is needed on the grass growth and quality to estimate the amount of fertilizer and the optimal harvest time. We used a drone and our expertise in agriculture and remote sensing to assess the grass sward. Our drone collected color, multispectral and hyperspectral images, and we created photogrammetric 3D data of the area. We applied machine learning to train our estimations. The results were verified in the laboratory. The estimation error was 16% for biomass and 11% for nitrogen concentration. We could even assess with only 2% error how well the cows can digest the grass. This is a new revolutionary method to manage silage grass production. From the FGI Drone Finland group,